Hello everyone, I'm Rick Smith and I'm one of the owners here at Mercy J Auto Care. Let's face facts, the auto repair industry does not have the greatest of reputations, so it's very difficult to trust us. Most people think it's because there's a level of dishonesty in our industry. To be honest, it's about the same as every other industry. What we have though is a problem with qualified technicians. There's a huge shortage in the United States. For example, did you know that only about 7% of the technicians in the United States are actually certified master technicians, meaning they're certified to work on every inch of your car. And then in addition to that, there's an advanced level diagnostic certification that only about 2% of the technicians in the United States hold. So if you have a situation where you're not 100% sure about what you're being recommended on your car, we'd like to offer you a second opinion today. So if you bring a copy of this ad in, what we're going to do for you is we will take $20 off any testing fees that are required to figure out your car properly. One of our ASE certified master technicians with advanced level diagnostic certification will evaluate your car properly, so then you will have everything you need to make a good decision on your car, and then you can choose whether to repair it or not. Look forward to seeing you. Have a great day.